April 22nd, 2021, about 10:30 in the morning, Dalton, Georgia. We're about to take 41 business through Dalton. We just got gas at the Circle K. They are tricky rascals. They are tricky rascals. The pilot was selling it at $2.69. I saw the sign that said $2.49. So I figured that's cash. So I went on over there. And it's $2.49 if you got the Circle K card, but without it it's $2.59. So we still save 10 cents a gallon. We just turned left on US 41 business, going north, and we're going to go through Dalton, Georgia. On north, we're on US 41. This will be the old route, the 475. And let's see, it's probably about 55 degrees now. It's warming up pretty quick. It's supposed to go to 64. It was really windy yesterday. 48 in Dalton. Let's see, what's it supposed to get down to tonight? It says 31, but that may have been from last night. I don't think it's supposed to be 31 tonight. I think that was a low this morning. Yeah, that wind blew in cold weather. Okay, I'm gonna pull over and let this bumper truck by, because I want to go through Dalton slow where you all can see it better. Two bumper trucks. And I say along through here, some of these houses and all you see here, they've been here 60, 70 years. A lot of this would look, it's looking just like it did, you know, 50 years ago driving through Dalton. I have pollen in my throat. Another pollen alert this morning. Yeah, some of these little brick houses and some of these little wood clapboard, little asbestos shingles. Whitfield County, so I'm pretty sure Dalton is the county seat of Whitfield County. Yeah, we pulled off and changed videos just in time. The battery was about to die anyway. So change batteries. So this will be the second video this morning. I'll try to link them together. Then, you know, I'll have that little suggested for you thing. It'll be one after the other. Or I may make a playlist of them. Speed limit's 50. We're running about 40. Yeah, it's good. We got off, you know, one exit sooner, at least one exit sooner. So this way you're getting to see old 41, old US 41. See if we can see when this bridge was built. Got one coming up on us pretty quick. Can't see it on that one. 1949, my birthing day, or birthing year anyway. We had another one we came across the other day in 1949. That's a good bridge. Good year for a bridge to be built. Dalton Auction Company. That building's been there a while. Gas 267 there. Thread Mill Road. There's probably a thread mill connected to that somewhere. It'd be nice to go check out. Take a lot of thread to make carpet. Dalton established 1847. Turn, drive down through these little side roads. You see these little houses that have been here probably since the 40s, maybe some from the 30s. This is where I was planning on getting off at this exit. To the left will take you right back to 75 over Doug's Gap. Or then you cross over 75, go up over Doug's Gap where we went yesterday. Or the way we came. And to the right will take you out. I don't know where it'll take you out. I'm going to have to check it out. Georgia 52. That may be a very good drive. Rent wheels there. Wheels have gotten so expensive you can't buy them, you gotta rent them. We're gonna drop over in this right lane. I got a feeling it may end up here though. It may not, because we're getting into town now. I guess I ought to have that side camera on, but I don't. one camera's a lot of work. When you're trying to do two, and I want to get one on each side and one on the back, I don't know how in the world I'd ever make four work. Or, you know, coordinate and get everything downloaded and edited and uploaded. Man. Large columns on that house. Nice church. Visitors information, we won't turn down there. Yeah, historic downtown City Hall, we missed that. We're not going to turn and go out there. I need to get over one. I need to stop and get me a pack of cough drops too, keep my throat wet, so this pollen won't mess me up. It's a nice big oak tree, four of them. Like I said, riding down through here is just like riding down through Dalton, Georgia 50 years ago. Before I-75. So I might be able to hit the road and do what I want to do in a small RV, you know, small motorhome. But I don't want to pull a camper, and I don't need a big motorhome at all, because I like to cut into places, get into tight places that is just too much trouble to pull something or drive something big. Yeah, one day I need to go through a historic downtown, but I said I've got a lot to do today. Yeah, everywhere up here has been about 268, 269, so that 259 was a good price. I said if we'd had the K card, we could have got it for 249. I still had a little gas, but that only got us 15 gallons. I just got it at 3/4 of a tank. Building out right there. Be some good photography in it. Graffiti on the walls, looking through the windows. There's the railroad track. Now this will be the Dalton bypass again. If you go right, it'll take you around where we turned left at a while ago. Turn left and it'll bring us back up there to 75. We could stay on 41 here and just go north on 41, but wanted to get a video of 75 all the way to Chattanooga. So that'll have that done today, except for this about 3 exits in Dalton. Now, I haven't been north on 75 in a long time myself, past this, so. I think I'll turn this video off and start another one, pick it back up on 75 again. This will just be a Dalton Business 41 video. I like that idea. Let's do that. I'm going to turn it off now.